Congress MLA PT Saukume today urged the state government to take all stakeholders, including community leaders, in hand in the fight against the second wave of coronavirus in the state. Lamenting the fact that lockdown was called without holding discussions with community leaders, the Maulai MLA stated that the government cannot win the virus alone.
Like we have been working together in the year 2020, I would like to appeal to all the stakeholders of the state. We have the headmen, we have the NGOs, the women organization, the youth organization, even the NOCMA. That in the year 2020 we have worked together how to contain the spread of the COVID-19. But we have been successful in the year 2020. But now again we have already been experiences that the year 2021, the second wave has come. We have already seen that the government have tried best to take care from the government itself. As of today, we have the corona care centers that the government have taking care. But we have already been experienced that in these days that the spread of the COVID-19 have been into each and every constituency, even the village, even the locality. What we have seen that if you leave this issue only with the government, understand the government cannot do only the government itself alone. But it is high time that the community quarantine center is very important. But now it depends with the government. I appeal to the government again. Government may call the meeting from the side of the government along with the NOCMA and the headmen, and appeal to the Darbar again to help to rescue the government and save our soul, so that we can contain of this COVID-19 like we have already been experienced. My appeal to the government, if the government call, I didn't see any problem from the side of the committee. The community or the Darbar are ready to help, but depend much what is the approach of the government. My appeal to the government, since all the Darbar, even NOCMA, the whole of this Meghalaya, they are working together. My appeal to the government, take the Darbar into confidence. Like any big decision taken by the government, like for the last 2-3 years, 2-3 weeks, the government have taken decision for lockdown. This is the drastic decision that even the government have before that lockdown, the government have called the meeting of all the headmen. They have already extended the cooperation. But even in the midst of that, but the government have declared the lockdown. I may say that is a wrong decision taken by the government without taking the headmen into confidence.
Saukume also appealed to eligible citizens to get the vaccine, stating that it was the best protection there is against COVID-19.
I also would like to appeal to all citizens of Meghalaya. It is a time that we have to vaccinate it. We have to take a vaccine. We are very much happy. Many people has come, but many are left. But to contain or to flatten this curve, also the best medicine is to take the vaccine. My appeal to all of us, this vaccine, because I had been taking myself, many of our friends also have been taking, but after they're taking this medicine, they feel there's a different in the body, in the mind of those who have been vaccinated, because little bit extra energy, I may say. But it's very important to protect COVID-19 now, to protect coronavirus, because we are meeting our friend, meeting our family, but the protection, the best protection, that better from your side, give a vaccine. That is how we can make our state free from the COVID-19.